everyone, it's Georgia and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be having the coziest of evenings ever together. It's going to be my cozy autumnal evening routine and I'm so excited because basically officially autumn now. It's September, so we don't have to feel guilty about talking about pumpkin spice lattes, pumpkin spice candles. So I've even got the cozy lighting. I hope you like it. It's all warm and cozy. I'm trying to set the mood here. I hope you've got your hot chocolate, your cup of cocoa because it's fall. I mean, I don't know why I've gone American, but I hope you've got your drinks, your biscuits at the ready, and let's just get on with the video. So if you are returning to my channel, then thank you so much for coming back. I am so happy to have you here. And if you're new here, then hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Georgia and I really hope you stick around because we have so much fun content coming in the next few weeks because one, is autumn, hello, very fun content, and two, we have uni videos as well. So now I'm home, I just take off my coat, put it on the banister and go upstairs and get changed into something really comfy and cozy because, of course, it's a cozy routine. So I'm going to pop on some joggers. Gonna go for the Primark men's joggers because what can beat it? So gonna pop those on and then go and make dinner. So I decided to make bolognese because I felt like it was fitting in with our cozy autumnal vibe. So I just cut up some onions and then added the mince, but of course if you're vegetarian or vegan you can use corn for this step. So I just mixed that round until it was completely cooked. And then in a separate saucepan I added boiling water and then added in some pasta, but I'm also a big fan of spaghetti. I kind of alternate between the two. So then I just leave the pasta to cook for about 10 minutes, give it a mix every now and again, and then I added the bolognese sauce into the mince, give it a mix as I was demonstrating. So you just make sure all the mince is covered in the sauce and then just season it however you fancy. So I went for pepper, and my mum's secret recipe is adding a bit of Worcester sauce, which tastes so good. And then you're done. So now I'm just gonna run a bath. Okay, so of course before I get in the bath I have to remove my makeup, and I'm just gonna show you a little bit of my skincare routine while we're doing it. So first of all, I removed my makeup with the simple wipes because what could be better than simple wipes? Like, they are just the best. Take off my lashes. So I do have a full skincare routine on my channel which is called How I Cleared My Skin, but for tonight, like when I'm doing a cozy pampered evening, I like to use the exfoliator by Liz Out, and it's the Gentle Face Exfoliator. So I'm just going to be using the Radox Feel Pampered. So when I'm out the bath, I just like to put on some cozy pyjamas, and what better than some cozy fleece pyjamas. These ones are new as well, so there's nothing better than new pyjamas. And they are from Primark, and then of course, some fluffy socks to join. So then I like to make myself a hot chocolate to relax with, and my favourite hot chocolate is Options. And it's also really good because it's only 40 calories, so it's not even a guilty treat. And this looks perfect. So excited to drink this. So then I just like to sit in bed and drink my hot chocolate before it literally melts everywhere. So then while I'm relaxing, I just like to use a face mask, and I always alternate between this one and the Lizelle one, but this one is the Sephora Grey Clay Mask. Not gonna lie, I'm a little bit heartbroken we can't get this in the UK. Like, why is Sephora not in the UK? So then I like to set the mood by lighting a candle. This candle is from Sand and Fog, and of course it's an autumnal one. What else would we be lighting in an autumnal routine? So it's Pumpkin Harvest by Sand and Fog, and it honestly smells like unreal. So then I just like to watch some Netflix whilst I'm relaxing with my face mask on. I think I'm going to watch a movie tonight. Someone told me that Falling in Love, the film, is really good, so I'm going to watch that one tonight. I also just like to scroll through my Instagram, which is georgialaurenbirch, if you haven't already followed me. This is my account, which is just georgialaurenbirch. So now I've had the face mask on for about 15 minutes, I think I'm going to end today's video here, because all I have left to do is wash it off, which we all know is a messy situation, and then just go to bed. So I really hope you all enjoyed this cozy autumnal evening, and I hope you had your face mask on, your fluffy socks on, and your candles lit to have the cozy autumnal evening along with me. If you are new here, I would absolutely love if you would stick around by subscribing, as we have so much so exciting content coming in the next few weeks, and I just can't wait. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!